AEG is a very well-known brand, and with this lineup, you've got a compact oven, steam oven, and a coffee machine, plus the warming drawers. So if you're very OCD like I am, these line up perfectly. With this one, it's a compact oven. You've got an oven feature as well as a microwave, gets it off the counter surface and hidden away. With the AEG matching steam oven, you've got a steam function. So for any baking or for any cooking, it's a lot more efficient and heats up faster. So if you haven't got any spaces for appliances in a larder unit, you can have them under counter. And the Zanussi is a great option. It's much more cost effective and comes available in multi-function ovens, self-cleaning ovens and matching compact ovens. Wickes have introduced a great new oven by Samsung. Here we have a single oven which acts as a double oven and also has a built-in air fryer. This great feature allows you to cook on multiple levels and cook multiple things. Here is your whole single oven, along with a single oven with an air fryer built in, and then a matching compact oven, all matching in the black glass trend. Also, you can use Samsung on your SmartThings app, which is a great feature from your phone. If you want to go for the more traditional look, you can go for a range cooker. They come in 3 sizes, 90cm, 100cm and 110cm. They also come in a varied selection of colours, and you can go for induction hob or in dual fuel option. It's great for large families as you've got great oven space and much more than a single oven or double oven we show you. Another great feature customers are looking for is cleaning. So for example, you can have catalytic, enamel and pyrolytic. This AEG oven has self-pyrolytic oven and is a great feature for people who are on the go and haven't got time. For more affordable range, you've got the enamel and catalytic, and you also got steam clean on some ovens as well. Now moving on to hobs. Induction hobs are fast approaching a more popular choice by our customers. With gas phasing out, electric is more cost efficient and energy saving. With this induction hob, for example, the pan will heat up with a magnetic field, which makes it more safer to touch should you go down that route. You also have the option of having 4 burners, 5 burners and multi-zones. So if you wish to have a larger pan on there, a griddle pan for example, it's a much better choice.